The Asus E410MA is a compact and lightweight laptop designed for everyday use and productivity tasks. It features a 14-inch Full HD 1920 by 1080 pixel display, which offers decent viewing quality for multimedia and general usage. In terms of performance, the Asus E410MA is powered by an Intel Celeron N4020 processor or an Intel Pentium N5030 processor. Both processors are entry-level and are suitable for everyday tasks, such as web browsing, document editing, and media consumption, but it's not designed for demanding gaming or intensive graphic design work. In terms of memory and storage, the Asus E410MA typically comes with 4 GB of DDR4 RAM, which should be sufficient for casual use. The storage option 512 GB PCIe G3. The Asus E410MA includes USB Type-C, USB Type-A, HDMI, and a microSD card reader. It also has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for wireless connectivity. One standout feature of the Asus E410MA is its long battery life, which can last up to 12 hours on a full charge. This makes it suitable for portable use without frequently needing to plug it in. Overall, the Asus E410MA is a budget laptop designed for basic computing needs. If you require more power or plan to perform resource-intensive tasks, you may want to consider higher-end models or laptops with more robust specifications.